Hi! Today we're in the lazy river. Oh my goodness. I'm on and she fell inside here. Let me see how the water is. Wait. That should be cool, right?
Huh?
Your shorts are falling.
Okay. Sige, yan.
It's wet, Daddy.
It's okay. Oh, yan.
Okay. Keep on surfing. Fall, now fall. New era. I'm feeling lazy. Oh, you're feeling? Yes. Say hi. Can I get my goggles?
Dala kayo ng goggles.
No, because we went swimming earlier. Are you having fun? Even though you went inside here? Wait, we can paddle up, okay? Paddle. Oh! I'm gonna fall now! I'm the one to fall. Lol? My feet. Are you having fun? Are you having fun? Yeah! I use myself. The sun is always in my face. Anyways, I'll fit you here. First time on a lazy river actually.
First time in a lazy river. Pero mo na niya.
Okay. What I'm supposed to do? Guys, I'm gonna give you to my dad.
Hello guys. These two girls. Finally they woke up early. So we can go to Splash Island.
We're gonna go to a farm, and then we woke up very late, so too hot not to go. I woke up maybe 1, I don't know.
Oh, so Nea, how is your Splash Island experience?
Yep.
How about you, Livia? Oh, tingnan mo. Oh. Wala na. Oh.
I redeemed myself. Wait. Why do I keep on falling off this thing?
Malaki kasi yung butas eh. Oh, sige, ganyan ka. Oh, gusto mo gumanong ka rin? Ayan. Sige. Sige.
Teka lang.
Hawakan mo to, Jab. Oh, ano mo pa ka?
I cannot redeem myself anymore.
Nea, where are you?
There.
Sino?
That's alone.
Bakit?
Olivia! Hi! Mommy! Adelina keeps on falling off!
Hindi, doon sa kabilang side. Ay, may net ba? Halika, dito na. Oh.
Where's your mom? Ayun.
Teka. Oh. Ayan. Uy, Livia!
Wala na siya.
Uy! Crazy. Oh.
Okay, wait, I actually need to move.
Hey.
Bye-bye.
my god, I cannot breathe.